Good morning, students. I am Father Raj Kumar, and I am the secretary of this college. I'm very happy to welcome each and every one of you to our Don Bosco family. This is not a college, though you are entering into a college. We call it a Don Bosco family. And every child who comes here, we believe, is special and is sent by God. So it's not an accident that I'm here with all the other professors and the priests and our principal sister. No, and you meeting us, joining us, and it's not at all an accident. And all the professors here, they are all God sent, and you're coming into a family not just to get a certificate, not just to get marks, because a certificate is just a paper. Here you come to become a character, and all of us are sent by God to facilitate that. We are specially chosen to be part of you, and we are going to accompany you. We are not going to be a sage on the stage as professors and teachers. We are going to be a guide on the side, and we're going to walk with you. And this is a special call that we have received from God. And we will take this as a mandate. And that's coming from God to take care of each and every one of you. And on this day, the very first day when I'm addressing and talking to you, I want to extend this message to your parents. I want to tell each and every one of them that we are grateful that you have sent your child, your precious child, to be part of our family, so that they can become our children too. And their own growth, their well-being, their education, their character, their mold, everything will be our business as well. So you, parents, and we, the teachers, educators, and all of us fathers and sisters here, we will be partnershiping in making this lovely little young gift given by God to us to really bloom and to become somebody that will please God. And during this time, this COVID situation, and people are waiting that we will get back to some kind of normalcy. I think that's not. I am really thinking in terms of we are posted into a new system, a new era, a new time, and when we are presented to that, we need to gear up to face that reality. And all our syllabi, the portion, the modules, our way of teaching, and what we are orientating towards the future, everything will be in terms of making your child be ready for that tomorrow. And so all of us joining together, we will get on this journey together, and we are sure that we will be blessed, guided, and led by God. And that is our faith, and that is what I wanted to present to all of you. When we have terrible storms and when we have difficulties, immediately people will run and close all the windows. And that's what the ordinary people will do. But the extraordinary people will set up windmills because there is new opportunities. And that's what we are going to do. During this COVID time, we're going to have, instead of face-to-face programs, we'll be having, till the government allows, we'll be having these online programs, and we are setting up windmills. During this clouds and torment and storm, we will definitely be setting up windmills to coach you, to educate you, and to form you. And we need all your cooperation, my dear young people, that the journey together is going to be an interesting one. And we have lots of new modules and plans, and you'll see how it goes as we journey. And I wish each and every one of you the very best. The first day of college, if it is a face-to-face thing, will be a very exciting experience. And being at home now in another ambience, and then going to have all your programs and classes, it's going to be totally in another experience too. And so let us make the best of what comes to us, and let's rock. And that's what I wish each and every one of you, with a smile on your face and with a lot of spark in your eyes, and with that kind of azal acumen that you have to learn. Let us forward to do the best in the times that's presented to us. Let's be grateful that God has put us together, and you will also meet all your new friends when we are going to have this online sharing. You will get an opportunity to meet all your fellow classmates, your own professors, and they'll be introduced to you. And I wish you an experience that's going to be very, very different and very unique. And we are always waiting for new suggestions from you. You can always talk to us and say, Father, we like to have this, we like to, and all your suggestions are very important, and we will take and see how we can proceed. Wish you all the best. Have a rocking time in Don Bosco family, and you need not worry, relax, because you are with family members, and they are going to be the guide on the side. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless you.
Dear first years, it is my pleasure to start this auspicious day by extending my warm and affectionate welcome to each and every one of you to this abode of knowledge and virtue and the vibrant learning community of Don Bosco. I am Dr. Sister Josephine Anto, the principal of Don Bosco College of Arts and Science, Keel Park, Chennai. Dear students, finally this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure all of you must have been eagerly waiting for this day. Now that you are at the junction where the old chapter closes and a new chapter begins, today you are entering into a new phase of your life. College life is one of most exciting adventures of life. The environment at Don Bosco will be a unique and an exceptional one. Following our saintly founder, Saint John Bosco, we will show that we are different from other educators. You will definitely feel that you are loved, wanted, and cared for. Yes, this is Don Bosco College, and it is our way. You are going to understand more of yourself and about your capabilities. There is a big difference between learning and studying. It means knocking on doors, seeking knowledge, and asking questions. Share your knowledge and skills. Don't keep them to yourself. Challenge yourself and your peers on a daily basis. My friends, absorb everything, and above all, have fun. I would invite you to consider the difference between education and training. In Latin, training means to drag, to pull after. It is a preparation for the known, whereas education means to rise up and to lead out. It is a preparation for the unknown. Therefore, dear students, we are here to educate you and not to train you. There would be events like plays, festivals, debates, sports, competitions, and much more fun activities in Don Bosco College. You would be having great faculty and teachers. This is your time now. You are going to make decisions for your future career. As you set out on the incredible journey that will help to shape your destiny, I wish each one of you success. We look forward to the fresh ideas and energy that you bring to our campus. Decide your path and work hard to achieve the destiny. Rise, above all, make history. Welcome, dear students. Have a wonderful and fruitful academic year. God bless each and every one of you.
Dear students, welcome to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. I'm sure you're all quite excited to know more about this college, and at this time, very unfortunate situation because of this whole pandemic, and most of you would have been at home locked down, waiting with a lot of energy to explore. And some of you might have been a little disappointed because you expected to get admitted in a big college but you didn't get through. So you had come to Don Bosco because you didn't get elsewhere. Well, some of you wanted to study in Don Bosco and you have come here, and some of you may not even know anything about Don Bosco. You happen to come here because of someone else suggested to you. Dear friends, first and foremost, you should all know one important thing. Don Bosco is a huge brand. It is there in more than 131 countries, and at least in Chennai we are known as for schools Don Bosco Egmore. And this campus is a very special campus for all of you to know. The Citadel campus, Taylor's Road. Here, this was initially a studio called Citadel Studios. This was one of the earlier studios that was built in the city of Chennai, and it is where some of the films, like famous films like Jnana Soundari of old classical film, was shot in this particular studio, and a lot more other production works have happened here. And later on, the person left this property with us and moved away, and that's how we built this institute here. And we have an institute called Don Bosco Institute of Communication Arts, called as DBCA, which is celebrating its 25th year of its inception, which has given rise to so many number of big television personalities and film personalities. Like we had editor Anthony working with us, and the whole team of Kutram Kadidal was staffing here, and Raju Menon and GVM are all part of this institute when they were doing Minsara Kanavu and things of that sort, and it has got a huge, big tradition. And coming to the college, we have 4 departments, 2 streams for commerce, commerce general and commerce corporate secretaryship, and we also have visual communication, and of course we have English literature. And I wish all of you to enjoy your stay. Once you come to Don Bosco, you will feel at home. You can talk to your own seniors and they will tell you how we treat the youngsters. Here, you are all the protagonists. You are our heroes. You are our heroines. We give so much of importance for you. If you think you have come to a wrong place, if you think you have come to a small place, break that myth. You are in a very big institution. This is a world-class brand. You have a doubt, go and Google Don Bosco. Then you know who Don Bosco is and what brand it is. I wish you will have a wonderful team to support you in the staffing side. Most of them are youngsters, and here we will work together and really come out in flying colors. And some of you might be wondering what is going to happen for this particular academic year. We are starting quite late. Don't worry. Whether this academic year is going to be cancelled, whether this academic year is going to be functioning as it was before, that is none of your concern. You just come, and we have already started online class. We have started in the month of June itself. We are one of the first colleges to begin the online classes, much in advance than the other colleges. And for the first years, we will give you the best of the package. And Corona will be over. Everything will be over in some time, and then we will get back to a normal life. And you will be looked up as someone who is very, very important. And once you finish your college, you will all be placed, and we make sure that we place you in big companies, and you will have a very good future. Once you enter Don Bosco institution, you will go only as a finished product. So all the best for your studies. Do well. Have fun. I know you're the guys who have been. This is the age you like to have more fun. And Don Bosco always used to tell, run, jump, and play, but do not sin. So also I exhort all of you, have fun, enjoy yourselves, but have focus and have an idea for your life, have a mission for your life, and work towards it, and God will bless all of you. Once again, I welcome all the first years. Have a good time in our college, Don Bosco Arts and Science.
Hello students, I am Gladstone, Head Department of Commerce. On behalf of Commerce Department, I welcome you all to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. Thank you.
Dear students, I am Abhisha. I am from the Department of English. Welcome to Don Bosco Arts and Science College, and I really hope you will have an amazing experience at our college. Once again, welcome you all.
Dear first years, welcome to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. I am C. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Corporate Secretaryship. We welcome you to be a part of the Don Bosco family. We provide you all the necessary infrastructure and we wish you all the very best for your academic excellence.
Hi everyone, this is Sanjana, Assistant Professor, Department of Visual Communication, Don Bosco Arts and Science College. It's my pleasure to welcome all the freshers into the Don Bosco family. Though we are all facing a difficult time because of this pandemic, we at Don Bosco would ensure that you continue your quality education through the various online technologies that are available right now. Of course, when the time is right, we will all come together and continue this beautiful journey of 3 years. So, my hearty welcome to the batch of 2020.
Hi, I'm Ilay Raja from Visual Communication Department. Welcome to our college.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் சண்முகம். இங்கு தமிழ் துறையில் உதவி பேராசிரியராக பணிபுரிகின்றேன். இந்த 2020-21ஆம் கல்வியாண்டில் பள்ளி படிப்பை முடித்துவிட்டு கல்லூரி படிப்பில் அடியெடுத்து வைக்க இருக்கின்ற உங்களை தமிழ் துறையின் சார்பாகவும் கல்லூரியின் சார்பாகவும் வரவேற்பதில் மிகவும் பெருமிதம் கொள்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம், நான் முனைவர் கா. சக்திவேல், தொன் போஸ்கோ கலை மற்றும் அறிவியல் கல்லூரி தமிழ் துறையில் உதவி பேராசிரியராக பணியாற்றி வருகிறேன். பள்ளி பருவத்திலிருந்து கல்லூரி பருவத்திற்கு அடியெடுத்து வைக்கும் அனைத்து அன்பு மாணவர்களையும் வருக வருக என தமிழ் துறையின் சார்பாகவும் தொன் போஸ்கோ கலை மற்றும் அறிவியல் கல்லூரியின் சார்பாகவும் வரவேற்று மகிழ்கிறேன். நன்றி.
பள்ளி வாழ்க்கையிலிருந்து கல்லூரி வாழ்க்கைக்கு அடியெடுத்து வைத்திருக்கின்ற அன்பு மாணவர்களுக்கு அன்பு வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் தமிழாசிரியர் ஆசைக்கண்ணு. தொன் போஸ்கோ கல்வி நிறுவனம் உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. இந்த கல்லூரி வாழ்க்கை இனிமையானதாக அமைய என்னுடைய அன்பு வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
Hello students, this is Angeline, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of English. I welcome you all to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. Hope you are thrilled to enter this new phase of life. We know that you would prefer to put on the wings of enjoyment and wings of cheerfulness. But as literature students, I would prefer you and encourage you to put on the wings of poesy and wings of creativity so that you would soar higher and higher to find your destination in a secure place in future. So put your best foot forward and enjoy your 3 years of life. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. I am John, Assistant Professor of English. I am glad that you are part of this institution. In this institution, you will have a lot of opportunities to excel in academics and make right career choice. Here, you will have a lot of opportunities to participate in various co-curricular activities and programs where you can use and develop your talents and skills. Welcome again. Wish you all the best. Have a great time.
Hi students, I'm Joshua Jabaraj from the Department of English. I cordially invite you to Don Bosco Arts and Science College. I'm sure your next 3 years will be a feather in your cap.
Hi students, I'm Shafaya Fatima from the Department of Corporate Secretaryship. I welcome you all to Don Bosco Arts and Science College, and I hope all of you will have a productive experience in these 3 years.
Hi students, I'm Virginia Philip. I belong to the Department of Commerce Corporate Secretaryship. Welcome to our college. All the best.
My name is Renat Thomas. I am from Viscom Department. So we are very happy to welcome you all to our college, Don Bosco Arts and Science, Kilpauk.